conference director, is that office was established in 1973, and it's been funded out beginning at $12,000 a year for the salary for that position, and it's just been when
free your mind.
Also wants to talk to you.
Can you bring him up, please? That,
I'm gonna be opposed.
sure tells me a lot. He sounds familiar. Have we met him before?
Yes, Judge.
Have we met him?
I'll let Dave speak.
So he is, well, I'll wait.
Everybody's being so cryptic. I
Let's
mean,
wait until he comes up.
He's just a really busy bee, is what he is.
he looks young, 17?
28,
23.
Really?
23.
28.
He said 23. Really?
I mean, he doesn't even know how old he is. I mean, that's usually when you're in your 50s where you don't know how old you are.
Oh, and I was able to get a hold of him, but this huge here, because technically he has counsel for the Ariola. So,
It's Lori Gooch.
Lord, sorry. So, but I'm ready whenever she's.
Yeah, well, so what I was hoping that we could do is get him on the phone so that he can hear, so Ariola can hear from the complaining witness himself. And I should have told you that at the outset to ask him if he's available so that we can put him on speaker so that Ariola himself can hear, don't come back. That was the end game that I had.
Well, I mean, I know he's picking up, so I can call back and then I can.
Yeah,
And here we go.
Mr. Simmons, how's jail? How's jail? Really? I don't know anything about you. All I know is that you're wanted out of state somewhere for something that I have no idea what. We're gonna find out. Shreya has told me that you want me to set you a bond. And I don't know, I don't know you, I've never met you before. So and the only way that I can really judge people is how they are on paper. How you are on paper tells me what kind of person you are, because when you come in front of me, everybody acts like it's little bunnies jumping in the woods, right? Little Bambi and whatnot. But me, I don't know you. So let's find out.
And he's wanted out of Clark County, Nevada for battery with a deadly weapon. In our Harris County jurisdiction, he's currently wanted for felon possession of a weapon, fraud 5 to 9 items, and robbery.
No.
Wait, so that, am I the wrong person?
Yes, you have Dwayne Sylvester. We're looking at Tavion Simmons.
Oh, sorry. He's wanted out of Platte County, Missouri for burglary, 2nd degree, and stealing $750 or more. However, this is the same defendant in a previous fugitive case just a few months ago for literally the same offenses, where he forfeited a new warrant had to be issued out for his arrest last month.
Did we give him a bond?
No, he was returned to the jurisdiction, but that warrant was from 2022 that he absconded for roughly 1.5 years, some odd couple of months.
This is Tavion Simmons, right?
Yes, Tavion Simmons.
Because I don't see a prior fugitive case.
And then he was returned, and then obviously a month or two out, he immediately forfeited again, and then a new warrant was issued for literally the same cases.
They had to do a consolidation of SPIN numbers. So what's showing up is a new SPIN number. So there's another SPIN number attached to his name, and it shows the rest of his records.
Oh, do you know what that is? Because I'm not showing any priors. I'm showing that he's clean as a whistle.
No, he's currently on deferred for engaging in organized criminal activity. He recently had a 2nd degree felony theft dismissed pursuant to the plea on the engaging. He has.
Is that here in Harris County?
Yes, Judge, these are all Harris County. And then he had two prior fugitive cases even before those, and then another engaging in organized criminal activity. So he's on double deferred
Triple secret probation, triple secret probation.
And then another UUMP that was dismissed pursuant to that, and FSRA, another theft that was dismissed in 2022. We're still in the 2000s. Criminal mischief, that's a state jail felony. Invasive criminal or visual recording, that's still 2022. Indecent assault, still 2022. And that's just Harris County. I haven't run as FBI. So I'm going to obviously be opposed to him getting a bond.
Did he give you a bond?
But Your Honor, that's from 2022. I served my time for that. I served my time for all those cases. Like right now, I didn't pick up.
You keep picking up fugitive cases. This is your third fugitive case.
It's the same case, sir. It's the same exact case. The reason why I have a fugitive warrant right now is because the day I was supposed to go to court, I got arrested for tickets, and that was, and you can see that I forgot, like last month, I got arrested for tickets that day. I had a flight booked and everything, showing that I was going to go to court.
That's you. Look how many priors.
This
is you.
3 cases.
3?
Dismissed. They got dismissed.
They were dismissed pursuant to the conviction, and the defendant is making my argument for me. He's saying that he violated the terms of other cases by picking up other offenses and getting arrested, to say nothing of the fact that he's on triple deferred in this county while he has fugitives out, and this being his, well, technically fourth, but third, with the second being on the same cases. He can't seem to comply with any of his conditions by committing more violations in other counties. He has warrants out in multiple states.
And why none of this pulls on? So I see that you have our fugitive case. You had a fugitive case from
There's
December.
one filed on December 2nd, 2022. A previous one was filed on May 3rd, 2022. Previous one was filed on March 11th, 2022.
Tell me, this case that he's wanted for now, are those new cases that he's picked up over there?
No, it's for the same cases that he already was returned on and then forfeited again, and then a new warrant was issued on the same cases. So it's just.
Got it.
Yes.
Okay. So essentially, you go back, and if you said it's Missouri,
It's Platte County, Missouri. Yes, Judge.
go back, and then I guess you take off, you leave, and then they issue new warrants. But this is the third time this has happened, where they keep issuing warrants because you keep taking off or you keep not doing something that you're supposed to do. They keep issuing warrants. So tell me, why would I reward that behavior?
I'm on deferred probation. I am not gonna get in any trouble. The reason why I missed court this last time is because I got picked up for tickets in Harris County from 2018 when I just got out of jail, 2023, February 10th. Those could have been handled while I was in jail, but when I got pulled over, they brought those old warrants, tickets from 2008 that I didn't even know I had. I was telling them, I just got out of jail. How do I have tickets, warrants when I just got out? And I missed court. Like, I went to the court day before. I have no reason to run out there. They not offering me no time or nothing. They're trying to run my probation concurrent. It's no reason for me to run. I went to the
I'm not worried about your traffic stuff. I'm worried about the stuff in Missouri.
Yeah, I'm going to handle it. They trying to offer me probation. They trying to run it concurrent with Texas, and I'm going to get an interstate compound. It's not like they offer me 10 years and I'm trying to run from that. It's not nothing like that. That's why they keep giving me bonds to go out there. It just is far. It's like 12 hours. But I had a flight and everything booked. Like I had,
Maybe at some point they'll get it that if they give you a bond, you're just not going to continue to show up. I don't know, but I can't really reward you with a bond when you keep doing the same thing over and over and over. It's like my child. If I tell my child, hey, don't do this, and he does it again, and I don't punish him, what's going to happen? He's going to do it again, right?
Right, but it's not like that. I'm running. It's just.
But it is like that, though.
I'm there from me being incarcerated. December 2nd of 2022, I came to jail and I had court like the same week. It's not like I'm running. I had court. I'm incarcerated. I can't go if I'm incarcerated. That's why they keep giving me bonds out there. Every time I go, they be like, "What happened?" I say, "I was incarcerated." They give me a bond and I go home.
Because you keep picking cases up here in Harris County too.
Why haven't I picked up a case in Harris County since 2022? This is 2024. I'm on.
Wow, a theft, 150,000 to 300,000?
It's the same, that's why it's a secondary felony, and that's why really, the last time he was here, he's part of a jugging investigation at a bank. And, hold on, I'll go back to my previous notes for the last time we approached.
What happened in that theft case?
That case?
Yeah.
That one is,
150,000 to 300,000, that's a chunk of change, man.
it's part of the jugging, it was burglarized at Chase Bank, total amount taken by the defendants, $232.280. Their dispatch found a drive-through ATM to be burglarized. They recovered a stolen truck and tools that were utilized to break into the drive-through ATM.
You naughty, naughty boy.
Let's see, it's
Man, you're too dangerous for me. I can't do it.
That's from 2020.
I don't care if it's from 2018 or 2011. My point is this, Mr. Simmons, you are a dangerous person.
I'm in danger.
I know you're gonna tell me it's little bunnies jumping in the woods, but the fact remains, I think you're a dangerous person. If I let you out, what good's gonna happen?
I mean, with you not letting me out, I'm gonna fly to Kansas and I'm gonna.
You can't fly to Kansas.
Yes, they're gonna extradite me, right? They're gonna extradite me to
If I
Kansas.
let you out and you try to get on a plane, you still have a warrant that's open from Missouri. They will arrest you on the spot and take you right back over here.
I went through this. This is not my first time going through this. I bonded out and I had 2 weeks to go turn my, and I
Therein
turned myself.
lies the problem. It's not your first time.
Yeah, but it's not like I was doing something. It's because I was incarcerated. Like, it's not like I'm actually getting out and not going to court. I got incarcerated for a warrant. It's not about, like, I missed court because I was incarcerated.
I'm gonna make sure now that we're gonna get you back to Missouri.
Like,
We're gonna wait for them to come get you, and at that point, we'll get you back so you can answer the charges over there.
Right.
But I can't, in good conscience, give you a bond. It's
Sorry.
it's too much drama, man.
Well, we start bringing up stuff from 2019. It's gonna be, that's old. It's like 6 years ago. This is 2024. I haven't got in trouble since 2022. I've been out on probation for a long time now. Like, I ain't picked up a new charge in Harris County. So with y'all giving me a bond or not, I'm gonna fly to Missouri and I'm gonna bond out, and it's gonna be the like same thing. I have a bond out there, $7,500.
Okay, when you get over there, if they give you a bond and you post a bond, don't leave, because otherwise we're gonna be in this position a 4th time. And I'm not gonna give you a bond. If you get arrested again because you take off from Missouri, you're gonna be sitting in jail for a long time again. Okay, thanks.
Excuse me, Your Honor. Oh, this is
also the reason why I thought it was.
I just wanted to